I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the environment stable. Plug the phone in and ensure battery is at least 50%. Once done, back up to iCloud or to your Mac via Finder so you can restore if needed. Make sure you have free space, aim for 5 GB or more, and delete large apps or media if necessary. Then restart the device to clear temporary problems before attempting the update again. You now move to a reliable update path. Connect the iPhone to a computer running the latest Mac OS or iTunes. Next, put the device into recovery mode using the correct button sequence for your model. This forces the system to talk to Finder or iTunes. When prompted, choose Update rather than Restore so your data remains. Let the software download and apply. This will attempt a repair first, and only use Restore if Update fails. You finish by letting the device boot normally. After a successful update, verify apps and settings. If Update fails, repeat the recovery process and choose Restore, then recover from your backup to return your data. Make sure your network is stable, prefer wired or a strong Wi-Fi, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls that may block downloads. If errors persist, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.